There will soon be a one-person billion-dollar company, something that would have been impossible to think about without AI, but now it will happen. Think about that for a second. It's not a team, not a startup with investors. It's just one person with a laptop and internet connection and the right AI skills. That person could be sitting in a dorm room in Texas, it could be a freelance writer in New York, or a stay-at-home mom in Ohio. Because AI isn't about tech anymore, it's about leverage, and the people who understand this are quietly building wealth. So if you're in the US or Canada or Australia, and if you want to stay ahead of the game, you are in the right place. And if that sounds far-fetched, just look at the numbers. According to PwC, AI will add over $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. McKinsey says that 30% of all work hours could be automated by the end of this decade. This is a full-blown economic shift, and if you play it right, you can carve out your own space in it. In this video, I'm breaking down 11 AI skills that can make you serious money online, even if you're starting from zero. Number 1. Prompt engineering. If there is only one skill you mastered this year, make it prompt engineering. Because how you talk to an AI model decides whether it gives you gold or garbage. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude AI, and Perplexity are powerful, but the results come down to the prompt. As Andres says, the hottest new programming language is English. This is why creators like Leah Motley built frameworks like emotion prompting and prompt chains to boost quality and get consistent output. It's backed by science, not just vibes. Prompt engineering is quickly becoming one of the most in-demand freelancing skills on platforms like Upwork in the US and Canada. As companies rush to integrate AI, they're looking for people who can speak its language. If you want to dive deeper into prompt engineering, make sure to leave a comment below and I'll be happy to make an entire video explaining how to master prompt engineering. In this new era of AI, if you're a solopreneur, you don't need a team, you just need an AI agent. And I'm not talking about basic chatbots, I'm talking about full-blown AI employees that handle customer support, lead generation, email replies, even close sales on your behalf. Platforms like OpenAI's GPT Builder, Cognosis, and Relevance AI let you build custom agents trained in your brand, your tone, and your offers. These agents are context-aware, memory-based, and multimodal. That means they don't forget who they're talking to. They remember details and they get smarter. According to Dan Martell, a top entrepreneur and investor behind several multi-million-dollar startups, AI agents will replace entire teams. In countries like Australia and the US, where labor costs are high, solo founders and small business owners are already leveraging the power of AI agents to keep operations lean and highly responsive. This isn't just a tech trend, it's smart economics. What used to take hundreds of thousands of dollars and a dev team before, now takes a weekend and the right tools. How crazy is that? Platforms like Replit AI, Software, and Framer let you build real apps without writing a single line of code. Think calculators, dashboards, job boards, or AI tools. One creator used Software to build Letterhunt. It's a newsletter directory, and they made $4,000 plus in just 2 months. But it's not just the tool. The skill here is product thinking. What's the real pain point that people are facing that you can solve in a lightweight, digital-first way? This skill is especially valuable in cities like Toronto, Austin, Melbourne, where startup ecosystems are thriving. By the way, if you're new to my channel, I'm Anika, I'm a creative entrepreneur. On this channel, I talk about making money online so you can have your piece of the pie in the digital economy and achieve financial freedom. I share both practical strategies and money mindsets, especially for the folk in USA, Canada, and Australia. So if this resonates with you, please take your shoes off and come on in by hitting that subscribe button. And hey, a like really helps to push this video to more people who need to watch this. Skill number 4, AI workflow automation. If you're still doing everything manually in 2025, you're already falling behind. Tools like Zapier, Make, and Notion AI automate your entire backend. They can auto-send onboarding emails, sync content across platforms, track goals and reporting, and even summarize meeting notes. But it's not just about knowing the tools, it's about being a systems thinker. The real skill is designing smart, repeatable workflows that free up your time and boost efficiency. Can you identify bottlenecks? Can you streamline repetitive processes? In the US and Canada, companies are hiring automation specialists not just for tech roles, but for operations, HR, and marketing teams too. Because saving time saves money. Skill number 5, generative content creation. You don't need to be a YouTuber, you just need a system. Many creators today are using AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude to write scripts, 11 Labs for voiceover, Runway ML or Pictory to edit video, Midjourney for visuals, and Suno AI for background music. When used together, this stack allows one person produce high-quality, engaging videos without ever showing their face. But the real skill isn't about knowing which tool does what. It's about knowing how to tell stories that people can relate to. The kind of stories that will make someone stop scrolling, keep watching, and want to share. A growing number of creators in the US are running what appear to be large media channels. In reality, it's just them using AI creatively, smartly, and strategically to scale content creation without the overhead. Skill number 6, data interpretation with AI. Data is the new oil, only if you know how to refine it. Understanding how to read and leverage data through AI tools like Power BI, Google Looker Studio, or ChatGPT automation data analysis can give freelancers an edge that's usually reserved for big teams. It helps with making smarter business decisions, identifying which content performs better in Canada versus the US, and figuring out how your pricing should vary by region. AI can break that data down for you. It's about knowing what to ask and what to do with the answers. Even basic data skills can help you avoid guesswork. Whether you're adjusting content strategy or testing different offers, it's about using the number to make smarter moves. Skill number 7, personal branding with AI. In a world full of content, your unique voice is what cuts through. Tools like HeyGen, Synthesia, and ChatGPT let you build a personal brand at scale. You can create multilingual video content, generate captions and social posts, and craft newsletters that actually sound like you. But the tool is not the brand, you are. The real skill is positioning. In the US, storytelling sells. In Canada, trust and authority matter more. In Australia, clarity wins. Knowing who you're talking to and how to listen is everything. Master the tone, build the trust, and scale the message. Skill number 8, digital products with AI. AI isn't just for productivity, it's for profitability. Smart creators are using it to build niche prompt packs, Notion dashboards, ebooks, and video courses fast and at scale. Platforms like Gumroad, Lemon Squeezy, and Stan Store make it easy to sell in the US, Canada, and beyond. The real skill is productizing your knowledge into something scalable without burning out. Start by identifying a problem you have solved and then package that solution into a digital format others can buy. Skill number 9, strategic thinking with AI. In 2025, the smartest solopreneurs don't just ask AI to write, they ask it to think. Tools like Claude AI, ChatGPT, Advanced Data, and Perplexity AI can brainstorm product ideas, stress test business models, analyze competitors, map out content funnels, and simulate customer objections. Taylor Cromwell, a creator and entrepreneur, emphasizes the transformative power of AI in business. The creators and solopreneurs who figure out how to use AI strategically will 10x their business in 2025. Look, this isn't about outsourcing. It's about augmenting your brain power. This is how smart money works now. Not with guesswork, but with generative strategy at scale. Skill number 10, AI-powered editing. Video is king, and editing is no longer the bottleneck. Or at least it's easier. With tools like Runway ML, Descript, and Pico Labs, creators can now edit full videos using text commands, auto-generate transitions, remove filler words, and swap backgrounds in seconds. The real skill is editorial judgment, knowing what to cut, what to emphasize, and how to keep viewers engaged. It's not just for YouTubers. In the US and Australia, freelancers and brands are hiring AI-savvy editors for podcasts, ad creatives, and short-form content at scale. It's less about mastering Premiere Pro and more about knowing what story to tell and how to shape it fast with AI. Businesses are moving fast on AI, but most don't know where to start. That's where you come in. If you understand AI workflows, tools, and real-world use cases, there's serious value in teaching what you know. Whether you're coaching small business owners or helping startups, people will pay for clarity in the chaos. This isn't about being a tech expert. It's about translating complexity into action and showing others how to apply it. If you've mastered even a few skills from this video, you're not just learning AI. You're ready to lead with it. And if you feel like you're falling behind, trust me, it's still quite early. So pick a skill and start experimenting. Because the next $1 billion company, it could be you. And if you want me to dive deeper into any of the skills I've mentioned, make sure to leave a comment below. I'll be happy to make an entire video and help out. Ciao for now, I'll see you in the next one.